Hello everybody and welcome to this channel, and today I'm gonna talk about the marketplaces to sell your NFTs and about this question: which marketplace is better to sell your NFTs? So to learn, be with me. At first, it's completely worth it to make it clear that the measurements of which website is better is not about how it is easy to sell NFTs and how easy it is to buy NFTs. It's about users' experience of website. It's really important because more users, more person to see your NFTs. This is the atmosphere and total view of Opensea. As you can see, it is really super easy and you can easily use it. From this part, you can sort the items: art, music, I don't know, virtual worlds, trading cards. From this part, you can sort by these factors: price or highest last sale, oldest or ending soon, or most viewed. For example, let's select this one. Yeah, this is an NFT. It's completely random. Its price in this part, when you scroll down, you can see price history, which there isn't any information here. Scroll down. This part is very important: trading history. In this part you can find many transactions, the sales, the collections, and if you scroll up, you can see it says owned by this name. When you click on that, you can get into the profile of the creator, and you can find much more collections in this place. You can share this profile and see the social medias and information about this account activity and offers for you and your favorites. You can sort. It's super easy. I have question: how much you should pay for that? At first, for listing your items, you never need to pay any money to this website. But if you want to put your NFT version of digital files on Ethereum network, you should pay money for that, which is called gas fee. This gas fee is always increase and decrease. I mean, going up and coming down, and it depends on busyness of the Ethereum network. If the network is busy, price of gas fee increase, and if it is less busy, the price decrease. So, and this gas fee is always between $100 and $20, and you can see every number between these two number. And then if you sell your NFT to somebody, I mean your buyer, you should give 2.5% of that money to this website, I mean Opensea. So if you sell, you should give 2.5% of commission to this website, which is really great percentage. Then if your buyer sell your NFT to another person, in this trade you can get money. I mean, when you are uploading a new NFT to this website, you can set the amount, I mean percentage, to cut the profit of secondary market. For example, if you sell your NFT for 1 Ethereum to a person, to your buyer, and then that buyer sell your NFT to 2 Ethereum and another person, in this trade, in this secondary market, you can get whatever you want as a percentage: 20%, 10%. You sell for 1 Ethereum and that buyer sell for 2 Ethereum. In this place, if you set for 10%, you can get zero point 0.2 Ethereum from the secondary market, which is really great in this website. Before we get into the second platform, I want you to go and see my first video about marketing basics of NFTs up of this video. And this is the Rarible. This is the second platform we have to sell our NFTs. At the first look, when you look straight away to this website, you can see that this website is a little bit complicated when we compare it to Opensea. But this one is cool too. You can create NFT from this part, connect your Ethereum wallet, and search from this part. Everything is a little bit complicated. I can tell you that it's really professional website for NFTs, and the signing up process is a little bit hard. You should fill out a form and you should at least connect 2 accounts of social media to this website to sign in but it is completely for artists. It's very professional for paintings, artworks, for music, and in this part you can see top sellers in one day. Number 1 up to number 15. This one is great too, but I think for beginners, OpenSea is much better than this website because users' experience in this website is a little bit, hard because it's complicated atmosphere. It's hard to know where I should click. This is the question. Where should I click? And in this website, you can set the percentage for secondary market to, and just like OpenSea. But in this website, as an extra item, you can gift your tokens to another person. You can just gift, which is pretty cool, but you can't do that in the OpenSea account. So this one is great. But for beginners, I prefer OpenSea. This website named SuperRare is very hard to use, and I really don't recommend to use this website if you are a beginner person. In this platform, you should be a verified artist and you should have verified profile to use this website. And I think in my idea this website and platform is worst between 3 platform which we compared all. In SuperRare, to be a user and NFT creator, you should be a very advanced and professional person in NFT creation, and you should be a verified artist. You should link custom covers, different social medias, and you should fill out a form, ID card, name, legal name, and you should link everything to this website. It's more like an application form. You should apply to be a user of this website. But it is very professional and advanced website. It has good atmosphere, not complicated like Rarible. It's easy to use, but signing up process is very complicated. And other worrying thing is about price and fees you should pay to this website. You should pay 15% of commission to this website, which is this commission in OpenSea is 2.5% when you are selling something, and you can't have access to secondary market and set a percentage and cut profit from secondary market. Let's go and see how is this website atmosphere on laptop. Yeah, this is the atmosphere of this website named SuperRare. SuperRare.co. It is really complicated in terms of signing in and signing up, but from in terms of atmosphere, it's okay. It's not complicated. And here is the NFTs. You can sort, filter by these factors and sort from here. And then you can sign in, search in website and markets, different markets. And they have great support. You can talk to the operator. This website can ask any question and they will answer it. Then I can tell you that if it is okay for you, I highly recommend you to use Opensea, because Opensea is really super easy to use, has great atmosphere for beginners, and it is really large in terms of selling NFTs in the world. If you are a beginner, use NFT and OpenSea. Then, if you have questions, let me know in comments below, and let me know which website do you prefer to use. Comment below, and thanks a lot for watching this video.